Abacus ni uburyo bwo kwigisha imibare ariko mentally, uburyo ukora calcul mentale mu buryo bworoshye kurusha na calculate, bikiruta kurusha na calculatrice.
Nitwa Benjamin, abandi umwarimu wa Abacus. Iyi Abacus bafasha kwihutisha kubara, guteranya, gukuramo cyangwa kugabanya bitewe n'icyiciro bagezeho, ariko ikabafasha cyane cyane mu kugira ngo bafate umutwe.
Hello, my name is Excella and I am the teacher of Abacus Mental Math. I've joined Shenmo Abacus Rwanda since 2019 till now in 2025. Look, enough experience to see that Abacus Mental Math can do a huge difference in mathematics. The students that have been studying, they have overcome that fear of mathematics because of Abacus Mental Math.
Abacus helps us to calculate mental math and easy. Abacus helps children to memorize numbers while calculating. Abacus helps children to calculate math easier and faster.
For me, it has helped calculating faster and easier. It boosts my self-confidence. I help more than 50 students, and I will make sure that they'll be prepared for the 18th October African competition.
L'abacus c'est trop génial, ça apprend à calculer très vite. Je remercie celui qui m'avait mis dans cette école.
Hello, my name is Faustina Gasaro, a teacher of Abacus Mental Math. So as a facilitator of Abacus Mental Math, Abacus Mental Math has also helped these kids to think rapidly and acting upon the questions being met, either in class or outside the classroom.
Are you ready? Moving 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 4, plus 2, plus 5, plus 1. Write the answer. 50. Yes, show Banda, show them. Yes, the answer is 8. Good. Okay, the last question.
Minus 2 plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3.
Write the answer quickly.
Very good. Show the parents. Okay, the answer is 3. Moving 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. The answer.
Write quickly.
The answer.
Show the parents.
Show the parents, please.
Show the parents.
The answer is 1.
Abacus, in my opinion, was great. It was all about learning how to calculate faster, accurate, and improve my concentration. But what was even better was making new friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Brigitte Witonze, principal of Shenmo Education Rwanda. Here we are at Apacope, one of our cooperative schools. We are doing summer camp with Abacus Math training. Additionally, we are preparing our students for second African Shenmo Abacus Math Olympiad that is going to happen in October 18th. So we prepare them to succeed for that competition, also to succeed in their lifelong learning. So let's make it. Parents, I encourage you to let your child learning about Abacus Mental Math to have a better life, to build a future of science. Thank you so much.
We thank these teachers who helped our children for this session. Vraiment, you did a great job. We appreciated everything. Like my daughter came here without having any knowledge, but she didn't even have any idea about this abacus. She's still young, but right now when I reach home, okay, thank you very much for your good work. Miracles.
And just in 1 month, I've seen that it have challenged students to overcome that fear of abacus.
My name is Wimana Jean de Dieu. I'm from Shenmo Education, Rwanda. I'm a teacher of Abacus Mental Math. This course of Abacus Mental Math is not only a course to teach the kids the Abacus Mental Math only. It helps them just to enjoy the course of mathematics. We are not teaching them just to study, and we create the environment of loving, enjoying the Abacus Mental Math.